Hello, everyone, and welcome to this lecture. In the previous lecture, I have spoken about some of the bits of AI in regards to the comparison with a human, and I have also spoken about some of the applications and features of AI powered machines. In this lecture, I would be covering the future scope of AI. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. So, if you guys try to analyze and imagine what can be the potential future of AI, like it solely depends on what we have right now. It is based on two major factors, either whatever we have right now, how we can improve by using AI, or we can come up with something new which is based on AI. So when we imagine in both ways, we can imagine a lot of fantastic things which we even can't think of. So the future is good and bad, that's another question. However, the human experience and user interaction definitely can be completely changed by using this technology. So let's try to have a look what can be improved in the future. So the AI enabled feature could be the AI enhanced organization. So when I say AI enhanced organizations, that means many firms in their own organization, they will try to implement the AI powered technologies. It could be robotics, or it could be in their software system design, which enables them to manage their big data or to come up with the solutions using an artificial intelligence than the human intelligence that could be more efficient in terms of accuracy, because there's less chances for machines to make a mistake than humans, of course. And the decision making capabilities in their while having the set of database they have for different set of scenarios based on the sectors. Could be from retail sector, finance sector, health and care, medicine, and so on. And the other side, we can also see the future of AI could be based on the automation, where we see everything is autonomous. From there comes a concept of IoT as well, like everything we just connected to an internet, and we enable an AI technologies in there which have its own capability to do things around us. We have right now we have an excellent example of Tesla, and this can be improved with further things in our daily life. Might be we have a technology one day we just wake up and we just get milk in our fridge. Just an automation, like everything's happening in so orderly manner that it can potentially do our work which we're supposed to do, and it is done by machine. That's totally an automation, and can be really we can't even imagine. Basically, it can be the life could be totally changed by using this technology in not so far future. So another enabled feature could be a persuasive knowledge, and that's a very important part of AI, because pervasive knowledge includes, of course, data gathering, where we have data from social networks, from from various other finance, healthcare. So what I meant to say, if I'm a user and I use social website, I do browsing on the search engine, and I go to various other sources. So this is all being monitored. This is all being monitored by AI, and by using this monitoring technique, they can come up with a great interface based on the user preference, because the system knows how the user is interacting, and this whole our clicks to inputs all monitored by AI intelligence. And this can greatly enhance the user experience by having a knowledge of users interaction. Another thing, it can greatly enhance the human experience in terms of interaction, as I said. So for example, if if I'm using an Amazon, Amazon can give recommendations based on my clicks and search. So this can be great source to have user experience to be enhanced by using an AI enabled technology. So once we talk about AI, it's about robots as well. So when we say robots, it means like we just work like a humans. It has intelligence as a humans, and it can behave as a humans as well. So when there would be a time in the very near future where you would see machine learning robots or the intelligent robots would have be a matter of discussion in international politics. It's a little strange to imagine, but yeah, there would be a time not very far in the future, and we are moving towards a transparent AI. When I said transparent AI, that means more where there's a less semantics. Like anything, AI is so clever, so intelligent that it can interact with the humans so efficiently. It's really transparent. The technology is so much improved and effective that it is transparent, and it's just like another creature, just like humans. And AI and automation drilling deep into every business, and of course, as I said, automation and analytics, problem solving, these all are the big area in AI, and they are booming a lot, and you will see a lot more improvement even now. Of course, this trend is more into the bigger scale. However, it will come back to all the medium-sized business to even to smaller ones, and it will become so common that everywhere the AI will be powered in all kind of organizations, and a lot of jobs will be created by AI based, of course, for the data scientist, and there's a good part of it. And AI can become a truly friendly assistant, which is, for example, a chatbot. It's so becomes so efficient that it would able to understand and interact with the humans in a lot more clever and effective way. So there comes a big question when we talk about AI. So basically, is definitely it's changing the society, it's changing our way of interaction, it's changing our lives. However, when we talk about, there's a big thing like there would be a time when you would see there would be a rights of robots as well. Like we humans, we have a GDPR, we have rights, and we have everything. So might be if we have someone else who's just like humans, who's intelligent like humans, who can have a decision-making capability, and there comes a concept of emotions as well. So if there comes an emotions as well, I have written one paper. If you, I'm gonna put my link down there. You can just have a look. I have written one. It's been published. Robot sex. So I have explained the various scenarios of future of robotics and what can be potentially happened in robotics in such a way that it will be there would be an interference with the humans in terms of politics, in terms of legal rights, and in terms of living in a society. So they would going to have rights as humans, and might be we're going to see a time where the robot marriages would be legal as well. Well, a bit strange to imagine, but this could be this would be a future actually. So yeah, the negative parts of this could be you can say, I mean, of course, if the automation is there, if the robots are coming to do better, more effective, more cost effective job, and of course human jobs are in danger. Jobs could be if we make something much more clever than us, then the humans itself can be trapped, and that. So if the robots are clever enough to create a next robot which is more clever than the before, like you can imagine this process can continue, and what it can have an impact on the humans. So this is a big concern and big ethical concern for humans. So there's a lot more to be considered while going ahead with this AI powered technologies. So as this can be concluded, like, is a big question if there are this technology, the way it's progressing, and what we can imagine in the future is if it is good or bad. So it depends. Of course, it's good in many ways, and it's bad on the other hand as well. As I said, I just put my link of paper which I have written. Just go through it. It's a very interesting paper, and it covers a lot of legal and ethical concerns of robot marriages, robot sex, and it, compare it with the humans and the potential future for robotics. So that's all for today's lecture. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Else I will see you in my next lecture. Thank you.